Our goal as a team is to partner with the parents to help our children be ready to take on life once they leave school.
Knowing that all human beings have struggle, it is essential that we build relationships with our students to build trust and rapport with them, allowing us to know what's going on in their world, having group conversations to normalize what all of us are struggling with, and then taking that conversation and bringing it into a personal one-on-one conversation to navigate how they as an individual can learn how to acquire those skills so that they can problem solve not just with us, but on their own throughout the rest of their lives.
The children are learning skills throughout the day. They're learning to communicate with one another, to understand each other, listening to the feelings and the needs of others, and getting along in the classroom, which then will translate to getting along in life.
With skill-based, it really emphasizes hands-on experiences and practice. It encourages the students to develop skills naturally, so through active engagement, through repeated exposure.
For example, using information but also working on your communication skills, working on your teamwork skills, working on your executive functioning, your time scheduling, your planning. All these different things are going to take them forward in life.
In the classroom, we're exposing the kids to math every single day. We're doing it through our daily routines and activities. And our goal is really to have the children be curious about numbers and patterns and recognize numbers and patterns to create problem solvers.
So much goes into the skills that we're teaching. They're learning how to ask questions. Another thing that we work a lot on is critical thinking, comparing text. But they're also learning to think independently and understand it from different point of view. This is what makes Barkai so amazing.
Skill-based learning is so important, and Barkai does an amazing job with it. They're understanding the Hebrew text. They could understand the meaning, the message that Hashem is telling us on their own. This is what enables them to become lifelong learners, to become teachers, to be able to sit and engage in classes in the future. This is who they are, and this builds their identity.